Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. My name is Fritz Ahmad Nuzir. I'm from Indonesia, and at this opportunity, I would like to share my experiences at the SDG Center, Universitas Bandar Lampung. Let me start to share the screen. So I'm very honored to be here in front of you all from the University of Kitakyushu, Japan. Thank you for the invitation. I used to live in Japan, and when I was there, people used to call me Furitsu. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So, about my educational background, I received my doctoral degree at the University of Kitakyushu in 2016, and then prior to that, I got my master degree from Ahnat University in Bernburg, Germany. From 2017 until 2019, I worked as a researcher at the Institute for Global Environmental Strategies, or IGS, or in Japanese, it's called Chikyu Kankyo Senryaku Kenkyu Kikang. And in the satellite office in Kitakyushu, it's called Kitakyushu Urban Center. And right now, I'm currently a lecturer, assistant professor at the Universitas Bandar Lampung, a private university in the city of Bandar Lampung, Lampung Province, Indonesia. And also, I'm the head of UBL Center for Sustainable Development Goals Studies, or SD Center, from February 2021 until now. So in the Center for Sustainable Development Goals Studies, or SDG Center in Bandar Lampung, we have these missions. The first is to provide science-based inputs, innovation, recommendation, strategies to achieve SDGs, and then to self-monitor, evaluating the progress of SDGs globally, nationally, and regionally in Lampung Province, and then mainstreaming the SDGs on research, education, and community services, and then facilitating the stakeholders in collaboration towards achieving the SDGs. A bit profile on our university: we were established in 1972. We had around 54,000 alumni in all professions, and then we have 6 faculties with 12 undergraduate programs and 4 master programs, and also we have 19 research centers. So from Tokyo to Jakarta, the flight will be around 7 hours, 5 minutes, and we were located near to Jakarta. So Bandar Lampung is very near to Jakarta, only 30 minutes by flight, but in different island, in Sumatra Island to be precise. And a bit about SDGs on Lampung Province, we had these priorities, 5 priorities on SDGs, SDG 1, 2, 9, 11, and 10. So we tried to prioritize to achieve the goals and targets in these SDGs, and hopefully it will linkage to the other 17 SDGs. So the current activities on the SDGs Center Universitas Bandar Lampung were divided into 3 main components. First is on education and teaching program. We had webinar, lecture series, and discussion. We have this design project, and then independent project, what we call here MBKM programs, and also informal education through social media or SNS. So this was the first public event we conducted back in July until 1st of August 2021. We invited international speakers from the Philippines, from Japan, from Thailand, from India, and from China, and also from Sudan, Africa. And this was attended by participants from all over Indonesia. And then we promoted this event. We introduced the issue of SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, as the main topic for this public event. And also we involved the students, so they were, acting as the MCs, moderators, the hosts for the webinars, and so on. So on the right side of this screen, you can see the students wearing our uniform, and also wearing the informal and formal suits during the event. And then as the independent independent learning program, we conducted research with different or various themes. For example, here we have research with students within the theme of building science or green building. And also we have another ongoing research right now related to the conservation, the urban trees conservation. And we work closely with the students. So the students were the main researchers of this research program. And by doing this research, they were kind of, independently learning many topics related to SDGs. And also, as I mentioned before, in the architecture department, we have this design studio project, and it's conducted by the student directly. And at this year, or at this semester, we collaborated with the city government in a small town in Lampung province called Metro. And they have a very valuable urban trees, a very old trees that are kind of lacking attention from the government. And we made this problem as the main issue for the design project. So the students design many idea and many design concept to develop the city surrounding the trees by relating this to the issue of all the goals and target from SDG 11, 12, and 13. Then also we collaborated with other organizations such as SDG Academy Indonesia to develop a future SDGs independent study program as one of our key lecture and key learning program for achieving the SDGs. And we also introduce SDGs knowledge, and also many finding related to the SDGs issue on our social media. In Instagram, for example, we have this at SDG Center UBL Instagram, and we provided many information there. So regarding to the researchers and innovation component, we conducted many collaborations between research centers in UBL, and also we tried to develop an application, mobile application. We collaborated with the student as well. We call it SDG Meter, and also we were involved on the development of e-learning module on West Bank. So we introduced these SDG related research topics. We took this from the Indonesia's SDGs VNR Voluntary National Report 2021, and we made this as our key research topics within the UBL. And we introduced these topics to the 19 research centers we have here, including the SDG Center UBL. And this is the mobile application we try to develop with the students. We call it right now tentatively SDG meter. So to self-measure the SDGs and to know how, for example, how SDGs we are. So we can provide some information, and the application will give us the score on how SDGs we are. And then we on the project of development of an e-learning training module on West Bank system in Indonesia, we collaborated with the UN Environment Program, IGS, and then Institut Teknologi 10 November is a university in East Java, and then also with our university, Universitas Bandar Lampung. We conducted the first meeting as the opening of all the activities under this program, and then also we as a part of creating the learning materials, the video learning materials. So we conducted video taking or video shooting from all over these places. For example, from the West Banks, from the schools, and also from the waste or plastic waste treatment factory. So here you can see all the activities, and we were there, doing this activity with the student as well. And then also the last part, the last component of our SDGs in SDG Center UBL is about community services. So we exchange knowledge and collaborate with many people. And then we join SDG Center Forum coordinated by SDGs National Secretariat. And then we publish some books, and also we build network through SDGs Leadership Program Batch 2. Here, for example, some activity with IGS. We joined the SDGs training program in March 2021. Then also we had a discussion with the mayor of Bandar Lampung City on the city's challenges and its solutions. So we delivered some presentation to provide ideas and solution regarding the environment problems in the cities. And also we had another discussion with IGS, especially on the environment and waste management issue. And also we conducted some sharing session via Zoom, and then we also published it on our social media. And we were invited to discuss with the provincial government in Lampung province on finalizing the regional SDGs action plan. And I myself invited to join the SDG leadership program conducted by the SDGs Academy Indonesia, UNDP, and also the National Planning Ministry. And I was also invited to share my experience using their SNS. And we conducted several book discussion, especially the books that were published by UBL Press and on our coordination. Especially, for example, this one, this book was related to SDG 16, for example, on government policy. And also we joined the forum with other SDG center to finalize the national action plan of the SDGs Indonesia. And we were invited, I was invited to be the keynote speaker, one of the keynote speakers on this conference, Sustainable Development Goals Conference, held by ISCIS on September 2021. And this was another book discussion. We published a book with the title of Lokalitas Lampung, or in English we call it Lampung Localities. And we published under collaboration with other organizations. And the theme is related to SDGs 11. And we received other visit from other organization from the Central Bureau of Statistic, Lampung Province. We discuss also on the implementation of SDGs and the importance of database. And also this was an online sharing session with another SDG center from another university in Indonesia. And this is our contribution to webinar SDGs from the Central Bureau of Statistics Lampung Province. And yeah, that was all. Thank you very much. I'm Fritz Amanuzir. Once again, happy to be invited to speak in front of you to share my experience on SDGs. And you all can contact me later if you have some question or some comments on this information from using email, Line, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Thank you very much once again. Arigatou gozaimasu. And let's act to achieve SDGs together. Thank you. See you soon at the other opportunity.